I'm on my kitchen baking now. You don't want that real smoke, kitchen now. Egg whites, turkey bacon now. Ain't in a restaurant, but I'm the waiting now. Gotta pop tags, and then I'm hemming.
It is Kamaya. It is the KayBeauty. Back and better than ever. I never left, but back on the tutorial. Anyways, today's look was very, very dramatic. Very out there. Oh, did you like notice something? Like, I don't know if you like noticed anything or anything, but oh, I think I know what you noticed. Was it my nails that you noticed? Was it my nails? Because if it is, let's just get into these nails real quick. Just real quick. Real quick. Okay, real quick. Christmas. Baby, it's December 1st. I had to get the Christmas spirit up in here. Okay? Had to get the Christmas spirit up in here with these Christmas nails. And they are done by the one and only Yolanda, my mother, Yolanda Hunter. I'm going to leave her information down below so you can go follow. Maybe if you live in an area, come get your nails done or something. I don't know. But yeah, let's get into the look. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be using is Got To Be. And you're probably like, what? Like, huh? Gotta be? But yes, we're using Got To Be glue, and we're gonna apply that right on our eyebrows because we want our eyebrows to be, I mean, I really don't know. I don't know why we're doing it, but I know that I like how it makes. I'm speeding up the video because what I'm saying is very pointless. Are completely dry before you move on. So next, this can go for any hair color, like any hair color. Like, people be asking if I dye my eyebrows. No, I did not dye my eyebrows. Like, literally it's just makeup. So you can use like an orange shade or like almost like an orangey shade, like whatever one, and then you can just take a slanted brow pencil thing and just start to put it on your eyebrow like so. And like, you have to really make sure that you allow the Got To Be to dry, or like it's just going to mess up the shape, and you don't want to mess up the shape of your eyebrow. Also, you're going to brush upwards because that is the way your eyebrows are going. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my go-to concealer, which is the Pat McGrath concealer, and it is my all-time favorite concealer. Like, y'all need to go invest. It is like on the pricier side, but honestly it's one of the few things that like are worth it. So yeah, so I'm just going to start carving out my eyebrow, and I need to use this mirror because I can't see, but so we're just going to start carving out our brow. And as you can see, like, it just starts to make it look so. We are going to be going in with a different concealer, and I'm just using the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX, and I'm just going to apply this right onto my eyelid. It is fairly light because I don't know, I really want my base to be light today so that the colors that we're going to use can really pop and like stand out. Yada yada. Beauty loose powder, and we are just going to set our eyelids so that it does not crease, and we can just have a smooth base to start our eyeshadow with. Okay, this is Miss Nikita Dragon's new palette, and I'm so excited that I have this, and I'm just really happy that I have this palette. Like, I got my hands on it before it was sold out. My best friend, shout out to her, got me this for my birthday, and I'm really excited to use it. I'm finally really using the palette. So the very first color we're going to take out of this palette is this this black shade, and we're just going to, oh my god, my entire pan just fell out. Anyways, we're going to take that black shade and just put it like above our crease. Yeah. As you can see, I'm just going to be taking that red shade and putting it right on top of the black shade. Yes, pigment come through! What? Okay, I'm going to be taking that orange shade and I'm going to put that right on top of the red shade. And I don't understand how I am so clumsy. Okay guys, what I'm doing is just going back into the black shade and darkening my crease and just carefully blend that out. You don't want to overdo it because then you're just going to like mess up your entire eyeshadow. Go ahead and do my little cut crease trick. If you want to see what that is, just go check out my other video. I will have that linked below. But next we are going to be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camel Concealer just to officially cut a crease. I'm just going to be using this concealer and just cutting my crease. And yeah, so basically I'm just going to follow the line like how I basically already cut my crease, and that just came out so discombobulated. See how well this is cut. This cut crease is everything. This is insane how well this crease is cut. Green that is literally so freaking beautiful. It's calling my name. I have to use this green, and I'm just going to put it on the inner part of my eye. So next I'm going to be taking this blue shade that's right next to the green shade, and I'm just going to tap that right in the middle part. I'm trying to make this ombre effect, and just tap that right there. The entire time I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Anyways, all I did was just went back into the black eyeshadow we had used previously, and I literally just tapped it right at the end, and then I cleaned up the mess. I just straightened it out, cleaned it up, and that's just that. Now I'm about to go finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Anastasia, they have this new holiday edition glitter set. It's a whole bunch of little glitters and stuff, and I'm going to be taking the little fairy dust glitter and the glue adhesive, the glitter adhesive, and I'm just going to lightly apply that on my lid. Just pat it on top of where we put the glue. I just apply my lashes, and we are done with the top part of our eyeshadow. Okay, moving on. Now I'm just going to prime my face with the Versailles Skin Tune Blur. You guys probably have seen me use this in my previous videos. It's a fairly good. Oh my god, my face is so sensitive right now. Just touching it hurts. Oh my gosh. This is terrible. Terrible. It's time to go on my favorite foundation, which is the KayBeauty foundation. This is one of their newer foundations. It's a very good foundation. I really think that y'all should go get this foundation. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Pat McGrath concealer, and hey. Next, I'm going to be taking the Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal. Taking the Fenty Beauty loose powder, and I'm just going to set my face. This one is in the shade Honey. This is my favorite setting powder. That's why I have not changed it up yet, because I don't know, I just haven't found another setting powder that just literally makes my face look so flawless and so soft. I truly advise y'all to invest in this. It's so good. Do you look at the so I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown contour little thing. not contour, it's like bronzer. And I'm going to very lightly put that on top of where we had already cream contoured. I'm basically using this just to set it. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this trio. I don't know what this name is, but this is what it looks like, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. But this is a really, really, really good like blush palette. It's super excited to use this one. These are Anastasia's like loose highlighting thingies. This one's called Snowflake. Which one do I want to use? I might mix these together because this white looks too white and I'm like brown. Is this brown girl friendly? This better be brown girl friendly, I swear. Or I'm gonna file a complaint. I'm just kidding. These are definitely brown girl friendly. Like, do you see how brown they made those? That's some real bronze. Oh my gosh. I hate when they make it like this. Girls with nails, like, be considerate. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I always use that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is very pigmented. It's time to do under our eyes. That was a bold decision. Some of that highlight into my inner corners and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, I did my lips off camera because I really don't like doing my lips on camera for some reason. It's just weird to me, but I did want to include this part because this video is like to show off Nikita's new line and all of that. So I just got some dragon egg lipsticks. They're like all shaped. I'm just gonna tap it. Oh, I didn't even say what I used for my lip. For my lip liner, I use the NYX. This is my lip liner that always goes to my favorite lip liner. I never not use this lip liner. This is called Cold Brew and right? Isn't it called? Yeah, this is called Cold Brew. It's by NYX. It is so affordable. Just go to your local drugstore and it'll be right there. Next I use my Anastasia. This is my favorite color from the Anastasia liquid lip collection. This is called Ashton and I love this so much. This is what it looks like. Go get it if you love this color. Go get it. The color with the Nikita Dragon liquid lipstick, this is called Dragon Glass. Oh, this one's called Bad Beat. I don't want to cuss on my channel, but you know, feeling the word Bad Beat. Yeah. I'm gonna be taking the All Nighters Ultra Matte setting spray by Urban Decay. This is a very, very good setting spray. Just make sure you do shake it because it has powder in it. Because like if you don't shake it, like you'll get all the white dots all over your face. And sometimes even when you do shake it, you'll still get the white dots. Anyways, yeah. Officially complete, and this is what it looks like. This was a long journey, but we're finally finished. Anyway, if you like this, then make sure you please go subscribe and like my video. Don't be afraid to comment because I love like constructive criticism as long as you're not like going in on me like. But yes, I want to know like you guys' opinion. Like let me know like if you guys want me to try like other stuff, like if y'all have any like suggestions like how to better my videos. Like don't be afraid like to say anything just to improve me, help me improve on my YouTube journey and stuff. But yeah, make sure I link the cut crease video down below in the description of this video, and I'm also going to include my social medias on screen so that you can make sure you go follow me so you can know when I'm going to be posting and like all of that good stuff. Without further ado, that is all. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.